Build a home out of my car, gonna leave this town and go so far. I'll make some friends on the internet, and we'll make some memories we won't forget. Our home is on the side of the road, or next to a fire where stories are told. I don't need a lot of things, just me and my memories. Built a home out of my car, gonna go some miles and find a place to park. Maybe I'll noodle on my guitar and write a song about my wandering heart. Just me and the open road, no destination and nowhere to go. I don't need a lot of things, just my van and what I can bring. Built a home out of my car, gonna go some miles and find a place to park. Maybe I'll noodle on my guitar and write a song about my wandering heart. And I wonder